What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty here at Wrap Sesh.
What's up?
What's up, what's up?
Don't look at me.
Why? You pretty.
Oh, thank you.
This week we are showcasing an awesome custom wrap project, the Hex Vet, which is a, what is it?
It's a Z06, C7,
A new
C7
one, right?
Z06. Yeah, Stingray,
Yeah, super cool car that we did for Detail Boss.
which is the shop behind us here.
Yes, this
car
photo.
was tight.
Move your fat head.
That's my head.
Bend over.
You can't just control me like this.
You see, that's their shop. They have a really nice light tunnel. Really cool setup. Super beautiful. They do amazing work. They do details and coatings for us occasionally. So we did a custom wrap for them, one of their customers. So this was an amazing wrap collaboration with Glarb Designs and We Print Wraps. So we had Glarb design everything, get it ready for us, and our whole experience with We Print Wraps for this car was super great, and this is why we love to use them. At the time when the vehicle got finished getting designed, we were about to go on family vacation, which we do like once a year. We haven't been able to go on this vacation for quite a while, like for the full amount of the trip. So we took 1 week of vacation off where we shut down the shop entirely. We're a super small, like mom and pop type of shop.
So that's really hard to do.
It's really hard, yeah. So whenever me and Michael leave, like we normally shut down the shop 7 times out of 10 because we just don't have a huge workforce behind us that can carry out jobs. You know, every single job runs through one of us, whether he's disassembling it or I'm getting it set up and then we're wrapping it, putting it back together. So our business is not at a place quite yet where we can have our employees running it while we're gone. So we shut the shop down for an entire week, which is really hard and also very expensive to do. But the reason why we were able to go on our week-long vacation and get this job coordinated was because of We Print Wraps. So we really wouldn't have been able to do it without them. So while we were out in California, we went to Oceanside with my family, like 20 people. I was able to coordinate getting the print done. I got paid by the customer for the deposit and everything. So I made money on doing a print and had We Print Wraps do it so I could go on vacation. And then as soon as we came back from vacation on Monday, we had the material ready to go, ready to install, and we could start a job right away Monday. And we knocked this car out in like 2.5 days.
Yeah.
It was really fast.
About 2 days, yeah.
Yeah, so We Print Wraps is super great. Like, even if you guys have a printer, you know, we have our Muto printer, but because of the situation, we were gone.
They were able to get it ready while we were gone.
Right, we were able to take a vacation and get this done and still be on schedule with the job without really having to lift a finger. So if you guys are backed up on jobs or you need help with prints or your machinery's down, or, you know, there's so many different applications that you can use We Print Wraps for. So it was really great having that opportunity to be able to spend time with our family and get work done at the same time.
And go swim with the sea lions.
And you go swim with the sea lions. Yeah, so huge shout out to Glarb Designs and We Print Wraps as well as Detail Boss. We love you guys to the moon and back.
Always.
If you want to keep up on our daily fix, make sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram. That is Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. See you guys next week. Fade away.
I already faded.
I got stuck. Bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, have a nice time.
I can't go any farther.
You can't go any farther. I can't pull over anymore. Okay, come again.
Okay.
Come again.
Thank you. Come again. He's already pulled over. He can't pull over any farther.